Now put it back.
It's my turn. Give it to me.
No, it is my turn.
You are stupid, and I don't want to play with you.
Come with me. Sit down, Anna. Squeeze it all out. All of it.
Is this enough?
All of it, Anna. Every last bit. Now put it back. Words are like toothpaste, Anna. Once they come out, they stay out.
You are stupid, and I don't want to play with you.
Did I hurt him, Mama? Yes, your words hurt him. Can I fix it? Think before you speak. That is how you fix it, before. But what about now? What do I do now? A real sorry. Not a fast one. A real one.
Today, class, we talk about words. Kind words and unkind words.
Great question. Who else has an idea?
Anna, can you give me an unkind word? Good, that's right. Every morning, choose your words carefully.
All right, everyone, have a good recess.
Can I sit here? Jack, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. Jack, I have something for you. I made this for you. You can have Mr. Bunny, my favorite.
Hey, what's happening here?
I gave him a card, Mr. Bunny, but he will not open the door.
A sorry with a gift is not enough. The sorry must be real.
But I said sorry. I said it.
How did you say it? Sorry. I am sorry. Which one feels real to you?
Jack, can I come in? It's Dad. It's okay to feel hurt, Jack. You don't have to hurry. Take your time.
She said I was stupid. She said it.
I know. That was unkind.
And she knows it too.
Is she really sorry? Give her a chance to show you. A real sorry takes courage.
Anna did not use a gift. She did not use a toy. She used words.
Dear Jack, I said something very bad. I called you stupid. You are not stupid. I was wrong. I am really, really sorry. You are my brother. I love you. Anna. I was wrong. I am really sorry, Jack.
I forgive you.
Thank you, Jack. Thank you. Mama, I think I fixed it. You did something better, my love. You learned.
Here.
This lives here now.
Think before you speak.
Choo-choo, here we go. Yay, it's moving.
Here, Jack, it's your turn.
Yeah!
Class, who can tell me one thing about kind words?
Me!
Kind words make people feel good. Unkind words stay, like toothpaste.
Like toothpaste. That is perfect, Anna.
They are going to be okay.
Yes, because she learned to think first. Good night, Jack.
Good night, Anna.
Good night, my loves.